What's going on, everyone? My name is EQ. Welcome to the EPIQ Trading Floor. I want to show you what it's like to be an all-access member. So let's take a quick little look behind the scenes and see exactly what you get access to. So the first page you'll see is going to be the member dashboard. This is going to give you access to any of the major information, trades, buy and sell signals, what I'm getting into, what we're talking about. The first course that's out and live is the EPIQ Trading Academy. This is going to be one of many that are released and all available with the all-access membership. The EPIQ Trading Academy is fully integrated into the website, and this will literally take you from 0 to 100. So it doesn't matter if you don't know anything about trading. This will walk you through the lingo, bullish versus bearish, what's a Japanese candlestick, how to read them, and then we'll go all the way through the psychology of trading, support, resistance, trends and trend lines, retracements, reversals, patterns, stop losses, trading plans, the set of my favorite overlays and oscillators that I like to use while I'm trading, how to zoom in and out, navigating fakeouts, and trading divergences. And this academy is being updated weekly as well. So this is great for all traders alike. And this is a cross-market strategy, which means that it doesn't matter if you're trading crypto, forex, or stocks. What you learn in this academy will be applicable to any of those markets and other markets, including commodities, indices, and so on and so forth. Now, you'll notice there was a crypto trading floor, forex trading floor, stocks trading floor. All of them are going to have their general chat, trade alerts, and trend signals. So the general chat is going to be the main chat, sharing relevant charts and news. All of the members are able to post on this channel as well. So if there's any charts you want to post and have a second look at, I'd be more than happy to do that for you. Now we have the trade alerts, which is where I put my buy and sell signals when I get in and out of trades. You can see that I just shaved 20% of a Bitcoin trade, which I'm currently 70% out of. And I moved my trailing stop loss to take profit 1. All of this is taught in the EPIQ Trading Floor Academy. And that trade took a profit of 50%. And here's a quick example of that trade 4 days ago. Bitcoin short 10x 68,289, 69,400. That's the stop loss with the initial entry. And this is all based on our public portfolio, which since July we've hit 48 out of 58% of our trades at an 82.75 win rate and an average profit per trade of 29.74%. All of this is available to go through as well. Transparency is everything. And then last but not least, we have the trend signals, which are going to be bullish and bearish signals, basically giving you a nice push into what direction the market can go, and then the time frame will give you an estimate or a better look into how long the trend could last. We also have a live stream channel for all of our members only live streams, so everyone can tune in directly on the desktop, website, mobile app, whatever it may be, and this all goes through Zoom. And I also post all of the live stream recordings on here as well for anyone that did miss it. So if you are interested in joining the EPIQ Trading Floor, it does come with a 3-day risk-free trial. Feel free to go with the monthly or the annual package, and these are limited time discounts, so depending on when you watch this video, it might not be that price. All you have to do is start your free trial and you'll be able to get access to the back end. I hope you have an amazing day and happy trading.